January 1st, totaled my car out. The car's gone. That's totaled, ain't it? Car's totaled out. Car totaled January 1st. Here we go. It is January 1st, and I am in the hospital. Last night, on my way home from DJing with my nephew, we was involved in a very bad car accident, and we're very grateful to be alive. And I am in like a lot of pain, and I just wanted to start my first year off with my first video, showing you guys how I'm surviving fatherhood, for real, for real. I've had a major setback. This is my second car that has been totaled in 6 months, so most likely they're gonna drop my insurance. I might be tripping on the car. At least me and my nephew are alive. Three tips that I would like to give you for 2020. Number one, when you get in the car, always wear your seatbelt. The seatbelt will save your life. Number two, do not be speeding or driving past 80 miles an hour. Do not be speeding. Number three, make right decisions. Because if I didn't make a right decision, I would be dead. Make right decisions. You know what? Forget that. Let me just show you what happened. Here we go.
What up, Jeremiah? Me and Jeremiah will be killing it tonight. We over here live at C-Dub's house. So V-Blog Part 1. Now my computer storage is full. So with that being done, we have Corey right here, computer geek and radio genius. He's going through and finna delete a lot of stuff so I can have some music. And he gonna hook up brother up. So stay tuned. It's gonna be lit. They gonna be drunk. We're gonna be turned up. Stay tuned. Benji Rich, you guys. We are at the event, New Year's Eve inside. You see it? Here it is. So I've already installed the dance floor. Stage is already up. I've already installed the lights, if you can see the lights. So you guys, it's gonna be a good night. Pay attention, stay tuned, Nashville DJ truck. Hey, once again, it's the Nashville DJ truck. Hey y'all, we all kind of set up, we locked and loaded. It's gonna be a good night, ain't it? Y'all, also we have a photo booth right over here. Right over here, look at, bam, photo booth. Look at this, nice, ain't it? Get here. Nashville DJ truck, DJ Benji Rich, first event of the year. It's gonna be lit. If you made it to this far in the video, I would like to stop you for a second. And the word for 2020 is decisions. Decisions. Once again, you guys, I thought I was where I was supposed to be, when I was supposed to be there, not doing what I wasn't supposed to be doing, and I still got inside of an accident. But that actually opened my eyes up to the bigger scheme of things, because the whole night, it was open bar. We had females texting us, and at the actual venue, trying to go home and do things that we know we shouldn't do. And I'm actually in a transformation stage in my life, so I ain't even gonna lie to you. I had a battle with myself, like Jeremiah. You know what? But at the end of the day, I know where I'm going in life, and I want to start my year off on a new page, not doing the old things that I did in 2019. So I decided to go home, and still ended up in a bad accident. But what I learned from that is, if we would have went to some girl's house, if I would have drank while I was at the venue, if I would have got high at the venue, all that could have changed the whole outcome of the wreck. DUI, us going to jail, my cousin being dead. At the end of the day, I'm proud that I made a decision not to do nothing stupid. But at the same time, that decision will also save my life.
In 2019, I made some pretty bad decisions. I made some bad decisions with my parents.
You did.
With my job.
You did.
With athletics.
You very did.
And there's two types of decisions. You got your good decisions and your bad decisions. You got your bad decisions, which can lead to worse decisions and
worse predicaments.
And you got your good decisions, which could lead to better things. You could extend yourself. You could
like not being dead on New Year's.
Right. So my decision that night, I felt like I was in an unsafe environment. So I'm like, Benji, where you at? I need to get out of here. If I wouldn't have made that decision, I feel like I could have probably got shot. So I text Benji. Benji, oh, I'm down the street. All right, so we go to Benji's. We rocked out. We had a blast.
Had that thing shaking. Hey.
We was live. We turned up. We had a good time. We was chilling with we was played everything. We just had an awesome time. So we get our money, everything, headed back to Murfreesboro. We made some good decisions. We could have did whatever, like
we could have done whatever. The ladies were throwing themselves at us. They was in there drunk. People was texting. Drinks were flowing.
Best believe he got those numbers.
Man, he got them numbers. But like I said, we could have made bad decisions that night, but we decided to go home and still got in the car wreck, which I still say is a life savior because I feel like we were going to do something we shouldn't have done. Could have been worse. Could have been dead. Could have been worse. I don't know what else I can say to you. You know what I mean? I feel like it was a good decision. I feel like me not screwing that girl is what got me in that car wreck. But also, me not screwing that girl could have had me dead on the way to her house. And I'm explaining why am I going to go do what I'm doing when I know I shouldn't be doing it. So with that being said, surviving fatherhood, a lot has been going on. The last week of December, I lost my job. My DJ truck broke down, and literally on the first day of the year, I totaled out my car. And this happened while I was doing what I was supposed to be doing. But in that same token, what I've learned from that is if I was doing what I shouldn't have been doing,
could have been worse.
Things could have been way worse. And we call this prospective. You got to have prospective. Say with me, prospective. But like I said, men, it is 2020. If I can't tell you guys anything else to do, it's about your decisions. At home, away from home, with your wife, with your kids, child support, daycare, school, whatever it is, decisions. What you do and what you don't do will change your life. Make sure you are always in tune with yourself. Always listen to that gut on the inside of you because that gut's going to let you know, do you need to do it or do you not need to do it? And I've learned that from getting in trouble, messing up my marriage, losing my kids. I went through a lot of turmoil that I could have not went through if I just stopped and thought about what I was going to do before I did it and made the proper decision. Not the emotional decision, not thinking with my dick decision, but a decision to absolutely better myself and get in a better predicament. This is Surviving Fatherhood, where we provide, we protect, and we prevail. We help young men become men, and we help men become fathers. Make sure you subscribe, you like, you share, and tune in. This is going to be a great episode. Me and my nephew, we actually got into a very bad car wreck on the 1st, January 1st. But as you see, we are alive. So go and explain who you are and how can they find you.
I'm DJ J7, a.k.a. Jeremiah Savage, your girlfriend's favorite DJ. You can find me on YouTube at TN Boys with my partner Skink. And you can also follow me on Instagram at IIMJSav. Let's do it.